In today's video, I'll show you how you can remove an object from a video in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. So I have my object in here. First, let's go into the Color tab. And from here, we would need to track our object. So we need to click here on Mask. And actually, I have already masked it. So I just need to make sure that it fits properly, just like this one right there. So yeah, you just need to click here on mask and then mask your object. Once that's done, you want to make sure that your playhead is at the beginning of your clip. And now go here into tracker and click on track forward button so that you'd be able to track the car, as you can see. And then next is that you want to go here into the settings. Now in here is that you would want to go into object removal. And then basically just drag it here into your node. And then once it's done, you just basically would want to click here on the scene analysis. And then it would now load. And from here, you'd now be able to see that the car is now removed. And then when we play it from the beginning, right here. So let's play it from the beginning this time. As you can see, it is tracking the car right here and it's removing it as it is tracking it. So when we play it, it would now look like that. As you could see, it is now completely removed. So this works best on cars or scenes like this because you could see the subject that you would want to remove clearly. And if you need to refine it, you can always go here into this tab. You can go for the values, analysis boundary, search range, the global blend, and so on. And then, yeah, many more. And then let's go back here into edit tab. And as you can see, we would now have this clean video right here. As you can see, the car is now removed. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.